Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you a clever way to add up all the integers, that is 1 to any value n. Okay, so we have this sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus ... plus n minus 3 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 1 plus n. These values over here, this one here, this is 1 less than n, this is 2 less than n, and this is 3 less than n. I'm going to show you how to add all of this up. Now the trick here is to repeat this sum but in reverse. Instead of 1 being over here, we're going to have 1 over here. And then we're going to have 2 over here. We're going to have 3 over here. We're going to have 4 over here. We have plus ... plus. We put n minus 3 over here, plus n minus 2 over here, plus n minus 1 over here, and then we've got plus n right over here. So it's just the sum that's at the top, but it has been placed in reverse. Now what we're going to do is add up both of these sums. N plus 1 over here gives us n plus 1. So let's write that down. N minus 1 plus 2 gives us n plus 1. N minus 2 plus 3 gives us n plus 1. N minus 3 plus 4 gives us n plus 1. The similar sums in between will all give us n plus 1. Now over here we've got n minus 3 plus 4, which is n plus 1. We've got n minus 2 plus 3, which is n plus 1. We've got n minus 1 plus 2, which is n plus 1. And then over here we just have n plus 1. Okay, so we have 2 of these sums, and they will produce n times n plus 1. Okay, because for this sum over here, there are n terms. All right, so if we add everything up, we're going to get n times n plus 1. Now let's create a formula for this solution using algebra. So what we've discovered is that 2 of these sums, that is 2s, is equal to n, which is the number of terms that exists for one of these sums, multiplied by n plus 1. Okay, now to find s from here, all we have to do is divide both sides of this equation by 2. Like so. 2 over 2 gives us 1. Therefore, s is n, the number of terms, multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so if you want to add up all the integers 1 to any number n, all you do is n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2. Now let's come up with a real-world example. We've got the sum 1 to 10. Okay, so what I'm going to do is repeat this sum over here in reverse. So I'm going to put the 1 over here, the 2 over here, we've got a 3 over here, a 4 over here, plus ... plus this over here is going to be, I think it's 7, isn't it? And then this over here is 8. This over here is 9. And this over here is 10. Okay, so we are going to add up both of these sums. 10 plus 1 gives us 11. 9 plus 2 gives us 11. 8 plus 3 gives us 11. 7 plus 4 gives us 11. Everything in between that the 5 and 6, etc., etc. If we do the sums there, we're going to get 11. 4 plus 7 again is 11. 3 plus 8 is 11. 9 plus 2 is 11. And 10 plus 1 is 11. So this is going to mean that two of these sums is 10 times 11, because we've got 10 terms for this sum over here. And over here, we have these 11s. When we add up these two sums, therefore, two of those sums is going to be 10 times 11. Now, to get the actual sum, you just divide this by 2. Okay, so the sum is going to be 10 times 11 divided by 2. Let's see if this is true using a calculator. Okay, so let's bring this up on the calculator. We're going to go 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. We'll hit execute, and that should give us 55. But is 10 times 11 divided by 2 55? Let's try that out. So we do 10 times 11. That gives us 110. We divide that value by 2, and we get 55. So that's a real-world example of this formula up here, and that's why it works. If you have any questions related to this video, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. For more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. For more maths content, visit mathematics.proofs on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video, and see you next time.